Hello and welcome back once again. I know I promised this was not going to turn into an RC only channel, and it's not. I mean, the name of the channel is Wheels and Things, so these are the things. Actually, these are wheels as well. They're just not Hot Wheels. Today is January 2nd. Hopefully I have another Hot Wheels video before this one comes out. I don't know. I haven't finished it yet, but I don't know when this is going to publish. This is not what's in this box. I've got the box flipped upside down to hide my personal information, but I have not opened it yet. I have cut the top. I have not cut the bottom, nor have I cut the sides. This is an RC that I had as a kid. This is the first RC I ever had. I've been looking for a decent price one for quite some time, probably 3-4 years. Was looking for one new in the box, and one recently sold on eBay for like 1,800 bucks. And yeah, that's too rich for my blood. So without further ado, we are going to open this. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. The guy was selling it local and did offer to ship, and I paid a little bit more for shipping. And yeah, turns out he's a collector as well, and he actually found one of these brand new in the box. So I'm opening this upside down. And this one, from the pictures, looked really good. It's not packed the best, but that's fine. And there it is. It's a Marui, or Maru Samurai. Again, this was my first RC as a kid. I remember it very well. It's the only thing I got for Christmas, which, you know, to be expected. It was fairly expensive. It came from, I remember a hobby shop called Norb's Hobby Shop, and I just had to have it. It was either this or like a grasshopper, and I chose this mostly because the box art looked really sweet. I didn't know any better. And anyway, my dad thought it would be a good idea to actually kind of build it before Christmas, and yeah, the thing never ran. So he wasn't quite the RC builder, let's say. So I got it Christmas Day. I finished a few things on it, or he helped me, and it was just put together completely wrong. The wheels and tires were not glued, and it pretty much just sat there. I mean, I was able to run it maybe one time out in the parking lot or out in the street, and that was it. So this one is in really good shape. Usually the gray here is yellowed. Little scuff right here, and then the bumper right here. But other than that, not yellowed. It has the driver, has the front Lexan, which I actually have already ordered the Lexan kit, reproduction I'm sure, but like the original with the front and the wing. Now he did include a wing, but it's, I think, from a grasshopper or something like that, or a hornet, I believe. So it actually fits, but it's not correct, so that's fine. And of course we got the wheels and the tires, and yeah, I mean, they were glued on. We'll take care of that, hopefully, which they need to be glued on. That was one of the things with mine. I think my dad had used some kind of regular super glue, and it just was a hot mess. That rim's got a little dent in it, but I can 3D print these, so that's not a big deal. And the front ones are just falling off. These were always hard to glue on. And the tires, they appear to be in decent shape. And the rims, I mean, they've lost some of their coating, but I can refinish those, and again, I can paint them and reprint them. Actually comes with all the original, like the heat sink, the servo saver, the little thing for the switch, and then the original motor. So that's all we've got in there. This was still not cheap. It was $330 shipped, but a lot better than $1,700. Yeah, so we're going to, again, do maybe like a little resto mod. We're going to put modern day electronics in this. Probably just use the motor we have. We'll need to get, oh, I do have the pinion in here, which is fine. But the cool thing about these is there's a ton of things you can print. I can print pretty much the whole body. There's a lot of things available on Cult 3D's website. Like these, that looks like that's stripped out, or maybe it's just loose, probably stripped. I can reprint those shock collars. That's no big deal. The CVDs have a little spot, which is pretty normal. And we'll take this all apart, I'm sure, just to take it apart. You can reprint the gears for the four-wheel drive. Yeah, so that is it. So look for some more videos of this. This is going to be, I am going to take it out. That needs cut out a little bit better. But yeah, first RC I ever had, and I've been looking for quite some time. So I'm pretty excited about that. Anyway, just an introduction video. Another RC. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post those below. And as always, thanks for watching.